Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or homeowner dealing with leaky faucets, the Moen 1224 Faucet Cartridge Replacement. If you're tired of that drip, 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 you're in the right place because we're going to explore why this is the best Moen kitchen faucet repair kit on the market. The Moen 1224 cartridge replacement is engineered to fit most Moen 2-handle faucets and tub showers seamlessly. Made from high-quality metal and durable plastic, this kit ensures your plumbing stays leak-free and operational for years to come. Compared to other options on the market, the Moen 1224 offers exceptional value without compromising on quality. It's no wonder it's Amazon's choice for faucet cartridges by FEMAR. In conclusion, if you're dealing with a leaky faucet and want a reliable, cost-effective solution, look no further than the Moen 1224 Faucet Cartridge Replacement. It's durable, easy to install, and backed by positive customer feedback. Ready to fix that annoying drip? Check out the link in the description below to get your Moen 1224 cartridges today. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and DIY tips. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, happy fixing!